what's up YouTube? It's your man Henry. I'm here again, ACC Driving School. With this student, we're gonna run through the driving test at one of my South Florida location. As usual, I'm not saying specifically what location it is, just because the DMV does not want me to say that or show the outside of the car. Someone asked me the other day to do that, but I didn't address that, so let me say that. I've said it before, but I'm saying it again. I had videos up that showed the exact driving test outside of the car, step by step. They asked me to take them down, so now I can make videos showing the steps, but just from inside the car. So just what me and my students are doing. So you can really follow the test and learn the test by just watching the steps that we're doing, right? So before I get into the video, again, I'm gonna ask you guys to like, subscribe, and share the video. Check out these series that I have going on. I have Melissa, Ayana, and Sandra and Rochelle. Rochelle's video drops in like 2 days. So yeah, just keep up with those. The series that I'm doing episode 1 to 5 for each 4 of those girls, showing you from the day I picked them up, the first day, until they get their driver's license. Alright, let's not stretch this out too long. Let's get into the video. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
Alright, what else do you do? Talk loud.
I put it in park and then I use the parking brake.
Pull up the parking brake.
Pull up the parking brake.
And what else? And turn off the ignition.
Turn off the ignition.
Yeah. And okay, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Go ahead, signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. They're gonna make sure that the brake's working. So you're gonna press and release the brake, right? And again, they're doing that to, it's a basic safety check to make sure the brake lights, the horn, and the turn signal lights are working on the car. They do that at every DMV for every driving test. If those things does not work on your car, you will not be able to do a driving test in that car. So keep that in mind. Alright, so we're gonna reverse from here, and they're gonna be calling you on the phone, by the way, and they're gonna be behind you somewhere. They're gonna say reverse and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse, look behind you, and when the mirror gets to the end of the line, you're gonna stop about here, stop. So you've passed it a little bit. Just turn the wheel all the way to the right, and then continue reversing. Reverse until your mirror gets out in the middle of this area. Stop that. Go back a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright, put the car in drive. Alright, go forward. Alright, stop here. Alright, so we're gonna pull down a little bit, and then they're gonna make you reverse. So you're gonna pull straight down here, and they're gonna tell you when to stop. They're gonna give you step-by-step instruction. They're gonna tell you to listen for the instruction, right? So stop here and reverse straight back. Yeah, look behind you, let the car, make sure the wheel is straight and roll straight back. This sun is crazy on my face right now. Yeah, so just go straight back until they tell you to stop. They'll tell you when to stop, right? So about here, I believe they'll tell you to stop, and then they'll say the next maneuver is the quick stop. So they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So that's what I'm gonna ask you to do now. Speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a stop, sudden stop. When I say stop, stop, stop. Okay, cool. Alright, go around the corner, and we're gonna continue with the test. Signal left. So always signal, right? Whenever they ask you to turn, you signal. Stay close to the right side, because now they're gonna ask you to park in between the cones. So signal left, And make sure you line up the mirror now. Don't go too fast. Make sure your mirror is perfectly lined up. Yeah, like that. That looks good. Signal left. And turn all the way left. Here you got to make sure you signal, right? If you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points for each time that you don't signal. So just signal as much as possible.
Okay.
There's no such thing as signaling too much, you know what I mean? So you're going to go until you get into the middle, and then you're going to straighten the wheel. Like I just showed you, 2 times to the middle, all the way around, one more time, right there. No, too much. And then pull straight in. Keep going straight in. A little bit more. Just keep going all the way up. A little bit more still. And stop. Okay, cool. Alright, reverse. Straight back. Again, we're going to reverse until your mirror is past the cones, right? And stop here. Okay. Turn all the way to the right. Keep going back. And stop here, stop here, stop here. Remember, as soon as your mirror is past the middle, you stop in, right? Put the car back in drive. Stay, pull close to the parallel line, because the next step is gonna be the 3-point turn. Don't cross the line, just stay, pull up close to it. Pull straighten up, straighten up. Alright, stop about here and do the 3-point turn. Signal left, turn all the way left until the wheel stops. And we're gonna go forward and stop before you hit that curb. And stop here, put the car in reverse, all the way to the right. And this time again, we're gonna reverse until the mirror passes the middle. Alright, so look over your shoulder and reverse. A little bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright, signal left. Turn all the way left. All the way until it stops. And go to the stop sign. And here, like I said, you don't need to press too much gas, right? Just let this, just do this whole section of the test in idle speed.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't really need to touch the gas at all, because you see you've done the parking, the 3-point turn, everything without the gas, and that works, right? The idle speed is what you need right here. So just go ahead, go around this corner. So again, they're going to be telling you where to go and what to do, right? So they could tell you to turn down this lane here, or they could tell you to turn at the other one. This time we're going to turn at this one. So signal left, turn left. Alright, pull straight up here. And we're going to stop about here. Stop. And they're gonna walk up to you somewhere around here and hand you the paper that says you passed your test, right? And essentially that is all the test is, basically. So go ahead and make a right turn. So go down here, make a right, and then we'll continue practicing for a little bit more. Turn all the way to the right. And find one of these spots to park. So again, you're gonna line up the mirror with the white line. Go up some more. Mirror at the first line for the parking space. A little bit more. Alright, signal left. You passed it. So go to the next one.
Which one am I?
Go into that one. Alright, stop here. All the way left. Turn the wheel all the way until it stops. All the way. And then just roll in. And when you get to the middle of the space, keep going slowly, straighten the wheel. So you would stop about here, straighten the wheel one more time, and pull straight in. And that is good. A little bit more, just a touch more. Alright, start. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's the test. Put the car in park so we can finish this video and then we'll continue. Alright, so that's the test. As you see, she's practicing. She's almost there. She'll be good by the time we're done. We're gonna run through it 1 or 2 more times. And then her test is tomorrow, right? Her test is tomorrow, so she'll pass. Alright, so again, thank you for watching the video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please continue to support the channel. Share the channel to your friends and family members. Tell everybody about the channel. It's growing, but I need it to grow a little faster. Alright, support those videos and the series that I'm doing with all those girls doing from day 1 to driver's license. Support those videos, show people those videos, tell everybody about those videos. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.